It's painting with Mr. H. Painting with Mr. H. Painting with Mr. H. In case you didn't know, we're gonna paint.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Painting with Mr. Whoa, nice catch, Tank.
Thanks, Mr. H. It was the reflex.
I'm sorry, what?
You know.
You got too far this time, but I'm dancing on the Valentine.
What are you doing? Seriously, dude. I've got a lot of stuff to cover, okay? We can't do that today. Alright, to get this thing started, I've used my India ink here. And I've just put 2 drops in each one of the wells on this palette. After that, I've added drops to each of these. So this one I've added the most water to it, and this one the least water to it. I've also tested that on this sheet here. I also have a cup of water, my Sumi brush, and a paper towel. All things you will need for this portion of the drawing. Alright, when I start this out, I kind of like to start with the middle value first. And I just kind of start in on this dark side because as I add layers, it's just going to get darker and darker. Now you'll notice that as it mixes with that charcoal, it's going to get a little darker as well. You just kind of have to accept what it's going to do. Don't try to control it too much, just sort of have fun with it and work in those layers, those washes that we do. Don't worry if it gets a little too dark, because we can always come back later and lighten things up. At this point, I can start in on some of the darker areas. Alright, so while we wait for that to dry, you may have noticed that I don't use the clips up top here. I actually like to use small rolls of tape on the back there.
Why don't you use it?
Oh, I don't like that it makes dents and... Wait a second. I know what you're doing.
What? I'm just wondering, why don't you use it?
Don't you dare start it, Tank.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, and it's ridiculous. There's only one person here that knows that song, and it's you and me. Okay? So no one's gonna get it.
Why?
Don't.
I'm just...
I swear, Tank.
Alright, fine.
Okay. Good.
Why don't you use it?
Stop it. That's it. No more. Alright? Look, I really gotta get back to working on this drawing. At this point in the mixed media piece, I'm just going to be using a white chalk pencil and a charcoal pencil just to add some highlights and details to things.
Hey, Mr. H.
I wouldn't, Tank. You're really taking your chances with the danger line.
Wait, was that?
As always, let's make some art.